Introducing the 2025 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing Precision Package. Now, Cadillac celebrated a luxury sports sedan. It gets an ultimate road and track focused chassis package, setting the vehicle dynamic standards for ride isolation while delivering refined precision. Now, Cadillac introduced the 2025 CT5 Blackwing Precision Package, a more track-focused chassis package which enhanced the driving behavior of the vehicle on all road and track conditions. And the new chassis package is meticulously engineered to improve the path precision and increase corner speeds for discerning driving enthusiasts who crave the track capability without compromising the luxury and refinement that Cadillac has to offer. Now, for 20 years, the V-Series has represented Cadillac's commitment to performance technology, such as the Mercedes-AMG. And the craftsmanship of the Cadillac is serving the purest expression of the brand core values. Now, that's according to John Roth, the vice president of Global Cadillac. They wanted to put an exclamation mark on the Cadillac excellence and enthusiasts. And man, does this look like some great driving experience. Now, this particular car has increased spring rates, larger front stabilizer bars, and revised suspension bushing. New front steering knuckles and rear suspension toe links, which allow for aggressive wheel alignment for track usage. It has recalibrated subsystems, Magna-Ride dampers, steering chassis controls, and electronic limited slip differential. And it also has the carbon ceramic brake package. Now, these precision package enhancements contribute to the improved steering position in a corner apex, increased stability, and not only that, the luxury elements is off the chain, especially with the exterior. I mean, look at that front grille, look at the Cadillac emblem, and look at the daytime running lights, and look at the dance that it does in the front. That signature is just awesome, folks. They built this vehicle to set records. And look at the design. This precision package is something awesome, folks. The redesigned grille, the front fascia, the aero ground effects, and the front fenders. It has 3 new colors: Drift Metallic, Deep Space Metallic, and Typhoon Metallic. 33-inch diagonal LED, touchscreen displays inside. Available enhanced performance data recorder with input for racing. Obsessed GM engineers design this. Take a look at that engine, folks. Look at that crossbar. A 6.2 liter supercharger. Yes. 658 horsepower, 559 pound-feet of torque. And a 6-speed manual, or 10-speed automatic. And of course, the Cadillac interior, which looks awesome, folks. I mean, look at the interior, the steering wheel, the V. You got the button just like the M Series BMW. And then you got the manual transmission, folks. And man, won't that feel good in your hands. Boy, I tell you, Cadillac done did it. With the interior and the red seat belts. And of course, those red seat belts add an extra 5 horsepower. So yeah, right. But it looks awesome, folks, with those seats. Cup holders. If anybody wanted a 4-door Corvette, this is it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.